These cloverleaf rolls are super soft, light and fluffy, and they taste absolutely delicious. You will love how beautiful they look and those delicious fine layers of crumb that form when you pull apart these rolls. This recipe is super simple. You will need only 6 basic ingredients to make these rolls, and you don't need to knead the dough for a very long time, and so you will find it easy to make. And in this recipe we do only a single proofing, and so we can save a lot of our time. So in this video, let's see how to make these beautiful soft and fluffy cloverleaf rolls in less than 2 hours. As the first step, let's prepare the dough. Into this bowl, I'm adding milk, which is not cold nor hot, but just slightly warm. Then adding sugar, salt, and yeast. I'm giving it all a good mix. Let's add in the butter. You can see it's very soft, so it will be easy for us to blend them all together. I'm adding flour. Mix and combine them all together to form a shaggy mass of dough. Now transfer the dough onto a clean work surface, and we need to knead the dough. This dough is not a very sticky dough, and so you will find it easy to knead it. Just knead the dough for about 5 to 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes of kneading, we got a soft and smooth dough. Now let's divide and shape the dough. Here I'm dividing the dough into 12 equal parts. We can either eyeball it or can use a kitchen scale to divide them precisely. And now divide each of them into 3 equal pieces. Now take each small portion and form it into smooth round balls by simply tucking in the edges towards the center and then rolling it with the cupped hands. We shaped all of them. I've greased my muffin pan with some butter so that our rolls will not stick to it when baked. I'm placing 3 of them into each of those muffin cups. And now they are ready for the final rising. So cover it with a cling film and keep it in a warm place for 50 to 60 minutes. After 1 hour of proofing, our rolls have risen well and they are all ready to go into the oven. So bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 C preheated oven for around 20 to 22 minutes. After baking, we'll get those beautiful golden cloverleaf rolls that smell amazing and taste delicious. I am brushing the top of these rolls with some butter. This will make the crust even more softer, and also it will add a nice buttery flavor. They are super soft and fluffy, and they are light as cotton, and they pull apart so well that we can see all those light and feathery layers in between. I'm transferring them onto a cooling rack so that the bottom will not get soggy. And these cloverleaf rolls are best to have while they are fresh and warm out of the oven. And they are perfect side for your dinner table, especially for the holidays, and are a guaranteed crowd pleaser. And if you want to make a big batch, you can simply double this recipe. I hope you found this recipe simple and easy to make. Hope you will make this at home, and I'm pretty sure everybody will love it. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love homemade dinner rolls. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.